What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is Pole Boys Garage.
Good morning, everybody. How you doing out there? Today we're working on the Lancer. The good old daily needs some love too, and as the title says, we're working on the suspension. So let's dive in, and I'll see what I got to deal with. Yeah, it definitely needs to be replaced. Hopefully you guys can hear this on camera. Let's see if it picks it up at all. Yep, it's pretty annoying. I can't wait to replace them. And what I bought, some good old eBay parts, eBay Motors. What's this called? The Max Orber. So I got the fronts, nothing special, just replacements. I didn't want to put coilovers or anything on the car. Just keep it simple and keep it a daily. Yeah, it's looking good. So yep, there's a suspension right there for the front. And then I got some for the rear. Open it. So I got the rear ones and the front ones. Start taking off the wheels. So yeah, pretty much first step, obviously take off your tire. And then step 2, grab the tools you need. Need a 19 and another. And a 19 socket. Got those. 19s will take off. The big guy is holding it up. And then on the back side, gotta make sure you disconnect your brake line right there on the back side. We'll just pop it off, and then I'll go up to the top and I will be removing. And for the top mount, it's a 14. Just take off these 3 little bolts right here and you'll be good. And since I didn't remove that part yet, it's not going to drop down, so we'll be good on that part. Alright, come right out, super easy. There we go. Alright, so there's the old one. It's all busted up. There's a new one, nice and fresh. So now, next thing I do is compress the spring because we don't want it shooting out. And I think the tool is somewhere. We have the tool somewhere. So yeah, here's the fun part. Woo! And if you're not aware of what it is, I'm talking about these little guys. You put one on one side and then one on the other side, and then you crank it down out there. You crank it down and it'll compress it, and then we'll be able to take all this stuff off. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so I had a little issue of this. Trying to take this nut off, everything was spinning, so I used some vice grips, clamped it down pretty hard, and then cranked the old girl down, and broke loose. So we're pretty much good right there on that part, and then we'll just continue on. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, got that part off. Clean all this stuff up. Free on that. Oh yeah, remove these. And don't remove this yet. Don't remove your clamps yet, because you're gonna have to throw it back on the new suspension. So just be careful on this part. Make sure it doesn't slip. Everything's still tightened down pretty good. So I just gotta remove the vice grips and then pull this part off, remove the rest of the pieces, and transfer it to the new suspension.
I had a dream of a cold time pouring rips
bolted down now. We're all good. Put the clip. Everything's all bolted up top there. We're all bolted down here. So we're good. We're good on this side. Now, I'll do this side. I'll just do a quick little time lapse and we'll be good. And then after this, once I'm done with the two fronts, I'll show you guys the rear and what we're dealing with.
Like by design, these acid dreams mixed soul with her lies. And how long will you put up a fight? Tonight, you'll feel mine. The ring so renowned, the doors in the dream, the mainstream underground. The angels will sing as they carry me down and
Woo! We're done. On to the rears now. Same process. I'll be removing the tires and figuring out what size sockets we need. Yeah, I just need one here and then possibly, I assume we'll open up the trunk and we'll have the bolts exposed up there. And then we'll be able to drop down. And in order to expose it right there, you gotta take off all the plastic stuff, all the trim. All right, for these ones back here, gonna use a good old trusty 14. Just put it back there, the long one, and then start cranking them out. I'll take these off right here, I'll take those off, put the car back up, and then we'll tackle this one right here. And after I take that nut and bolt off down there, it should drop out. And then we'll just repeat it. Put the little compressor chingadera on there and do everything. Oh, woohoo. All right, got them both off. All four of them, all right there. Next thing, jack it up. Let's tackle that bolt. All right, for your rear struts, the bolt is a 17. See, can't see it. Oh, 17. For the rear, I already got the two up top removed, and I'll remove this, and hopefully we could pull it out. All right, now that we got this all nice and loose, it's time to remove this bolt right here with a simple 17. Let's take it off right now. Let's see. Yeah, it was easy. Only because I already did it. Just had to show you guys. I totally forgot I needed to film. So that should just come right out. Let's see how easy it is. Alright, of course, something stupid. For some reason, right now I can't get this bolt out. I don't know what the heck's keeping it staying in there. I'm smashing it like crazy with the hammer. I brought the car down, I lifted it up with the jack right here so we could leave some tension to it. I don't get it. So I had to take a break on that one. I came over here and it's simple. I'm starting to just smash it out and it's coming out so easy. So finishing up this side, I guess. I don't get it. The simplest little things, man. I don't get it, but well, so far this job's going pretty smooth. So a woohoo. Jeez.
Still not coming out.
Oh man, we did it. Successfully did it. This is super messed up though. Look at that. You can't really tell, but it's nasty. Had to beat the crap out of it just to get it out. But we got it. That's all good. I'm gonna pull the strut and everything out soon and put it over there, but we got this side done. Just need to bolt it back up. We got the spring back on. The new suspension's all nice and looking good. So all we gotta do is throw the two bolts up top, tighten down this one, strap this guy back in, and we'll be good. This side will be totally done. But for right now, I'm going to do this one, compress the spring, and you know, do the same thing that we pretty much did to the front. Okay, now we got the other side up. It's all good. And I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but yeah, I had to remove the little sway bar. What's it called? Yeah, sway bar linkage right here. Removed it, and it gave me more room to drop it down, especially after we beat it out of this, the bolt out of here. But yeah, both sides are kind of up, bolted down right now. I'm going to drop the car down, bolt the 2 bolts on this side and the other side, and then I'm gonna use the jack on the bottom because this is kind of like, this is really hard to push up right now. So I'll put, when the car's down, I'll use the jack. Where's the jack? Yeah. I'll use the jack and I'll put it underneath here and raise it up a little bit so these holes can match. And I'll throw in the next bolt. This side's done. It's all bolted up. Just need to tighten everything down. Yeah, so 1, 2, linkage 3, 4, 5. Everything's bolted down on there. And what I'm doing pretty much is I brought the car down. I'm just putting the jack underneath here. I'm just jacking it up and gonna let it fall into place. You know, try, yeah, just let it fall into place, and then I'll be able to put the bolt in. Well, that's it, everybody. That's all I could do. I'm done. I am done. Everything's tightened down. This is all tightened down. Over there's tightened down. All over there is good. I started putting the tires on right now. Woo! All right, so got the car outside and going to be doing a little test drive. Look at her, she's ready. She's ready. 240 soon. Cressetta, got some stuff coming. Yep, let's do a little test drive and see how she feels. She's probably gonna feel so much better. Definitely a lot better than what it was, that's for sure. Woo! Successful. She feels so much better. Not even bouncy, not like freaking like a boat. It's great. Oh man, it's so good. So good. But if you like this episode, hit that thumbs up button. Super easy, simple episode, so not sure how long it is, but yeah, if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, and definitely catch you guys next time.
Tonight, I feel